Good morning, students. I hope you all are well. Let's start with the next chapter, that is chapter number 2, Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom. The same video you will be getting at the YouTube also. So, share and like the video and subscribe my channel if you like it. Let's start with the chapter. Chapter name is Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom. First of all, let's know who is Nelson Mandela. Who was Nelson Mandela? Actually, he was a black person. He was from South Africa, and he was a black president after more than 3 centuries of a white rule. Nelson Mandela has become the South Africa's first black president after more than 3 centuries of white rule. Mr. Mandela's African National Congress, means ANC party, it is called ANC party, won 252 of the 400 seats in the first democratic elections of South Africa's history. So when the inauguration ceremony took place in the Union Buildings amphitheater in Pretoria today, attended by politicians and dignitaries from more than 140 countries around the world. Never, never again will this beautiful land experience the oppression of one by another, said Nelson Mandela in his address. So, when he was addressing, he said that it is a first, chance, first experience where all the from 140 countries, all the politicians and the dignitaries, assembled here. So, let's read the chapter. And before reading the chapter, let's discuss the activities given on the next page. See here. Here you can see in your book, it is written some of on column A and column B, such expressions are being given. Let's read and find out the appropriate meaning, because these expressions will help you in the getting the meaning from the chapter. A rainbow gathering of different colors and nations. What does it mean? Its mean is a beautiful coming together of various people like the colors in a rainbow. Like in rainbow, many colors are there. Same that it is a beautiful coming together, means it is a get together where the various people of different kind of people are also coming together. Next one is the seat of white supremacy. The seat of white supremacy, it means the center of racial superiority. The center of racial superiority. You must be knowing what is the meaning of racial, means rang ka bhedbhav, that is called racial. Next one is be overwhelmed with a sense of history. Be overwhelmed with a sense of history. It means feel deeply emotional, remembering and understanding all the past event that had led up to the moment. Means we have, when we are remembering or understanding the past events, so we are feeling deeply emotional. The mean is that it is a phrase and the meanings are there in the column B. Next is resilience that defies the imagination. Resilience that defies the imagination, and it means a great ability almost unimaginable. एक ऐसी ability that is unimaginable, जिसको हम imagine नहीं कर सकते. To remain unchanged by suffering, not losing hope, goodness or courage. Means when we are not losing our hope, goodness and courage, but we were remaining unchanged. So that great ability is called renaissance that defies the imagination. Now the next one is fifth one, a glimmer of humanity, a sign of human feeling, goodness, kindness, pity, justice, etc. A sign of human feeling. What are the feelings? Goodness, kindness, pity, justice, etc. And the last one is sixth one, a twilight existence. A twilight existence means a half secret life, like a life lived in a fading light between sunset and darkness. You must be knowing what is the meaning of twilight. जब रात का अंधेरा फेड हो रहा होता है, सनसेट और डार्कनेस के बीच वाला जो टाइम होता है, द हाफ सीक्रेट लाइफ लाइक विथ लिव्ड इन अ फेडिंग लाइट बिटवीन सनसेट एंड डार्कनेस. जब सनसेट हो रहा है और डार्कनेस शुरू हो रही है, देन द टाइम ऑफ इन बिटवीन, दैट इज कॉल्ड twilight existence. Let's read the chapter. It's here. Okay. 10th May. This is a very important question from this chapter that can come in 1 mark for 1 mark MCQ. That when this this meeting, National Congress meeting, held on which date? It was held on 10th May 1994. So just note down in your book, 10th May 1994 was the time. It is written here. 10th May dawned bright and clear, means on 10th May it began. Dawn means begin bright and clear. For past few days I had been pleasantly besieged by dignitaries and world leaders who were coming to pay their respects before the inauguration. What is the meaning of besides by? Means surrounded by closely. Okay, means he was saying कि past few days back, if we're talking about back few days, so he was pleasantly surrounded by many of the dignitaries and the world leaders who were coming to pay their respect before the inauguration. Inauguration means किसी चीज़ की शुरुआत से पहले they are just coming to just pay their respects. The inauguration would be the largest gathering ever international leaders on South African soil. साउथ अफ्रीकन सॉल मीन्स साउथ अफ्रीकन की धरती पर इससे पहले कभी भी कोई इतनी बड़ी गैदरिंग इंटरनेशनल लीडर्स की नहीं हुई थी. द सेरेमनीज टुक प्लेस इन द लवली सैंडस्टोन एम्पी थिएटर फॉर्म्ड बाय यूनियन बिल्डिंग्स इन पेट्रोएट्रिया. पेट्रोएट्रिया में ये सेरेमनीज जो हैं वो बहुत लवली सैंडस्टोन पर हुई. एक ऐसा सैंडस्टोन जो एम्पी थिएटर जहाँ पर बना हुआ था. यू नो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एम्पी थिएटर? Amphitheater I have just tried to show you in that one of the picture. It is in the round form. It is in the round form without a roof. It is a building without a roof, and many rows were sitting in the rising step. Like you can see, you must be knowing about, you maybe people have seen in that, you know, stadiums are also sitting or like this way only, where the people, where the, you know, must have seen in the cricket match, when the cricket match is being played in between, and the public who were sitting around it, they were just rising up, means here one seat, then next, the next, the next, and next. So by this way the all people can able to see all the, you know, ground and what is going on in the ground. So same way, that is called amphitheater. इसको बोलते हैं amphitheater. Formed by the Union buildings in Pretoria. Pretoria क्या है? It is a capital of South Africa. South Africa का नाम है. For decades this had been seat of the white supremacy. अब आज को उस टाइम में क्या था? ये white supremacy means white superior people, white people, those who were superior, उनके लिए ये, you know, सीट्स बना करती थी. Decades पहले means दशकों पहले. Decades का मीनिंग होता है 10 years, 20 years, means in tens we are talking about. And for 100 years we are using centuries. Okay, and now it was a site of rainbow gathering of different colors. The same has come over there, a rainbow of gathering of different colors and nations. First ये देखो column A में जो हमारी phrase आई थी, that is used over here. Now it was a site of rainbow gathering of different colors and nations for the installation of South Africa's first democratic non-racial government. अब means क्या है? वहाँ के जो लोग हैं, ऐसा लग रहा था, ऐसा देखने में लग रहा था कि इट इज़ अ ब्यूटिफुल गैदरिंग कमिंग ऑफ द वेरियस पीपल लाइक द कलर्स इन द रेनबो. डिफरेंट पीपल्स वर देयर एंड दे वर कमिंग ओवर देयर फॉर द इंस्टॉलेशन. स्टार्टिंग के लिए आए थे साउथ अफ्रीका की फर्स्ट डेमोक्रेटिक एंड नॉन रेशियल गवर्नमेंट के लिए. नॉन रेशियल मीन्स जहाँ पर रेशियलिटी नहीं है, जहाँ पर भेदभाव नहीं है रंग का, वो ऐसी गवर्नमेंट बनाने के लिए वो लोग वहाँ आए थे. On that lovely autumn day, it was autumn, we are talking about in the month of May, so it is a autumn season. Autumn season, I was accompanied by my daughter Janami. So he was, Nelson Mandela is talking about ki like I went there with my daughter Janami on the podium. You know what is the meaning of podium? Podium means lecture stand. Mr. D. Clark was first sworn as the second deputy president. मिस्टर डी क्लार्क ने पहले स्वोन लिया, शपथ ली एज अ डिप्टी प्रेसिडेंट. डिप्टी प्रेसिडेंट थे वो, उसकी उन्होंने शपथ ली. सी द नेक्स्ट पेज. कैन सी द पिक्चर ओवर हियर. ही इज नेल्सन मंडेला. ओके, फाइन. Thabo Mbeki was sworn in as first deputy president. और Thabo Mbeki ने कैसे स्वोन ली? as a first deputy president. When it was my turn, now his turn has come because he has to take the swear of president. So I pledge to obey and uphold the constitution and to devote myself to the well-being of the republic and its people. तो उसने pledge क्या ली कि I am well-being, being means I'll respect the republic and its people, I'll respect to the constitution and the assembled guest and the watching world. में जो भी जितने भी वहाँ पे assembled guest थे, जो भी लोग वहाँ पे मुझे देख रहे थे, तो I said, मैंने क्या कहना शुरू किया, today all of us do by our presence here, कि हम सब लोग यहाँ पर आज इकट्ठा हुए हैं, confer glory, confer means it is a former word here, हम सब लोग यहाँ पर इकट्ठे हुए हैं, glory means to give dignity, dignity देने के लिए इकट्ठे हुए हैं हम. What is the meaning of confer here? Give, देने के लिए, confer करने के लिए, देने के लिए. And hope the new born liberty, और जो हमें नई new born का क्यों बोला उसने, liberty को new born क्यों बोला? Because before it there was a very much racial discrimination was there at that time. Means जो white people थे, जो गोरे लोग थे, वो लोगों को आगे आने ही नहीं देते थे. तो लेकिन आज ये फर्स्ट चांस हुआ था कि they people are also feeling liberty, तो इसलिए उसने न्यू born वर्ड यूज़ किया है. Out of the experience of an extraordinary human disaster that lasted too long, must be born a society of which all humanity will be proud. कि सारी humanity उसको proud feel करेगी. We who were outlaws not so long ago given the rare privilege to be host the nationals of the world on our own soil. Means हमें भी हम लोग क्या थे, outlaws थे, because it was a policy of the apartheid. Many countries had earlier broken off diplomatic relations with South Africa. We thank all of our distinguished international guests for having come to take possession and people of our country for what is after all a common victory for justice, for peace and for human dignity. Means he's feeling कि we have got a victory over here. We have at last achieved our political emancipation. Emancipation means freedom for restriction, कि हम लोगों को अपनी पॉलिटिकल चीज़ों पर फ्रीडम मिल गई है, रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है अब हमारे ऊपर कोई भी. वी प्लेज आवर सेल्फ टू लिबरेट आर पीपल, लेते हैं कि हम अपने लोगों को ऐसे लिबरेट रखेंगे. एंड कॉन्टिन्यूइंग बॉन्डेज ऑफ पॉवर्टी, डिप्रिवेशन, सफरिंग, जेंडर एंड अदर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, कि हम लोग उनको इस चीज़ों से कभी भी सफरिंग, कभी भी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं होने देंगे, चाहे वो जेंडर का डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है, चाहे वो पॉवर्टी का डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है, ऐसा कुछ भी हम नहीं होने देंगे. Never, never and never again shall it be that beautiful land which again will again experience the oppression of one by another. Means इसके बाद, इससे पहले और ना ही इसके बाद कभी इतना ज़्यादा बड़ा बड़े लेवल पर सब लोग इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर यहाँ पर इकट्ठे हुए हैं, ऐसा पहले कभी नहीं हुआ है और वी होप कि आगे फ्यूचर में भी ऐसा नहीं होगा. The sun shall never set on its glorious human achievement. Let freedom be reason, God bless Africa. So he has said in his speech these words. It is a real words, means same as it is words that he has spoken in his speech. So same has been taken over here. We have read up to the first part. Here are the oral comprehension check questions. Where did the ceremonial take place? Can you name any public buildings in India that are made of sandstone? कोई ऐसी बिल्डिंग का नेम आप बता सकते हो जो सैंडस्टोन से बनी है और जहाँ पर इस तरह के पब्लिक जितने भी सेरेमोनिकल्स हैं, सेरेमनीज़ हैं, वो सेरेमनीज़ वहाँ पे भी होती हैं. कैन यू नेम? इफ़ एनीबडी इज़ गेटिंग दीज नेम्स सो दे कैन जस्ट आंसर. चलो, लेट मी टेल यू. The inauguration took place in the lovely sandstone amphitheatre formed by the Union Buildings in Petroita. For decades, this had been the seat for the white supremacy. In India, we have buildings which are made of the sandstone and they are the parliament. Sandstone से बनी है parliament, राष्ट्रपति भवन and the red fort in India. Sandstone, एक red color के stone से बनी हुई building को बोलते हैं sandstones, right? Now the next question, can you say how 10th May is an autumn day in South Africa? साउथ अफ्रीका में 10th में एक ऑटम सीज़न कैसे था? हमारे यहाँ तो ऑटम नहीं होता 10th मई, दैट इज़ समर सीज़न. इन साउथ अफ्रीका 10th May वॉज एन ऑटम डे लिटरली एज वेल एज अ सिम्बॉलिकली, इसको लिटरली भी मानते हैं और सिम्बॉलिकली भी। इन ऑटम, ऑटम में क्या होता है, जो पुराने ट्रीज, पुराने जो ट्रीज पे जो लीव्स होती हैं वो गिर जाती है, पुरानी लीव्स गिर जाती है और नई लीव्स जो हैं वो आनी शुरू हो जाती हैं। सो सेम हेयर, पहले पुरानी जो सत्ता थी जिनके हाथ में, पुराने रूल रेगुलेशन जो लोग कर रहे थे, दैट आर वाइट पीपल, और अब वो किसके ट्रांसफर हो गई थी, ब्लैक पीपल को। मीन्स सिम्बॉलिकली भी है, ये सिंबल है एक तरह से ऑटम सीजन का, कि पुराने पुराने पत्ते जो हैं वो झड़ गए, पुराने लोग जो हैं वो उतर गए सीट से और नए लोग बैठ गए। So means trees leave old and rotten leaves, and after that new leaves with fresh colors are born symbolically. The old and the rotten system of apartheid was coming to an end. A new republic based on equality of men, colors and races taking place on the 10th May during the autumn. Autumn season में 10th May से अब क्या शुरू होने वाला है, एक नई लाइफ लोगों की शुरू होने वाली है, जहाँ पे रेशियल कोई भी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं होगा, जहाँ पे इक्वालिटी होगी लोगों की, कलर्स के बारे में, कलर को लेकर कोई डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं होगा, कोई रेसेस का कोई भेदभाव नहीं होगा, कोई काले और गोरे भेद नहीं होगा. बाय दिस वे इट विल हैपन. नाउ द थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज गिवन ऑन द नेक्स्ट पेज. यू कैन फाइंड आउट. At the beginning of his speech, Mandela mentions an extraordinary human disaster. What does he mean by this, and what is the glorious human achievement he speaks of? At the beginning of his speech, Mandela called apartheid reason based on the racial discrimination and extraordinary disaster. The people were deprived of justice, peace, human dignity. Now the new republic ensures social justice. अब जो नई रिपब्लिक आई है, that ensures social justice and equality and human dignity. Never will South Africa see any exploitation of men, women and racial discrimination. कि अब आने वाले टाइम में ऐसी कोई डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं होने वाली है. The next question is given. What does Mandela thank the international leader for? नेशनल मंडेला ने इंटरनेशनल लीडर को किस लिए थैंक किया? For sharing common cause. The participation in the ceremony, they have supported the new republic where there will be no discrimination based on the race and the color. He thanks the international, just leaders for just sharing a common victory for justice, peace and human dignity. Last question is here. What ideals does he set out for the failure अफ्रीका? साउथ अफ्रीका की फेलियर के लिए उसने क्या आइडियल्स जो है वो बताए. नेल्सन मंडेला सेट आउट अ मेन आइडियल्स फॉर द फ्यूचर ऑफ द साउथ अफ्रीका. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ही हेटेड रेगमी ऑफ एपिथेट. वो एपिथेट से बहुत ज़्यादा नफरत करता था. दैट वॉज बेस्ड ऑन द रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन एंड will come to an end forever. The blacks of or any people will not suffer exploitation and oppression by white people. The new republic will be based on the justice, peace, human dignity, and there will be equal opportunities for all the irrespective of their race, colors or sex. Means race के according, उनके gender के according, उसकी बजाय उनके कलर की वजह से कोई भी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन वहाँ पर नहीं होगा. They will be getting all equal opportunities for their growth. Okay, I hope it is clear. This is the first part. We'll just go for the second part in the next video. Thank you so much and stay